Here it is. The one you've been waiting for. Beautifully updated, classic 2-story in the heart of Kempsville. Brand new roof, gutters, windows, painted shutters, pressure washed siding and landscaped for a gleaming maintenance-free exterior. Fully fenced backyard with patio and ample room for cookouts and yard games. Original hardwood floors in living, dining and upstairs. New plush carpet in the den with fireplace and the enormous great room. Brand new stainless appliances, exquisite tile floor and professionally painted cabinets in kitchen. Fresh paint throughout. Upstairs boasts 4 large bedrooms. Home warranty included. Don't miss this.